Hi guys, it's me again, Callie Cat the Squid Kid, and we are here today for some Splatoon, probably ranked. We'll find out once we see the modes. Because I'm not going to do, I'm not going to do zones, or I don't think I'm going to do clam for my rank up battles. It's not even rank up battles. I don't know. I have got the Summer Nights gear. Or not yet. Ooh. I only recognize 3 of those things, and... Yikes. Oh, oh, yay, I got the, Squid Force gear badge thingy. Rainmaker, let's go. We need 2 wins in a row here before 1 loss. Let's hope we don't fail miserably. Last time I played Splatoon, I was screaming cacaw the whole time. So, go check out that video. It's like Splatoon 4th of July, or Splatoon in America, something like that. I don't know. We were on this stage. I believe right now I'm on vacation, so... Oh, disconnect. All the content that you are seeing or have seen in the last few days has all been pre-recorded. So if there's something that you guys like comment about, I'll probably talk to you in the comments. No, I'm not even gonna be able to do that. I still have 5 days. But still. Rocky! Wahoo! Sorry. I had a very long night. Technically, they should win this. They have a blobber. And that's not going to be very helpful. Booyah! Okay, that's not good. Oh yeah, I got us 2 points. Oh, you should have saved your splashdown for like 2 seconds. Run it up. Oh yeah. Wait, now I'm gonna use it. Right there. Not good. Oh, I don't know how he filled that up so fast. Yeah, I always forget that you can't go up and around that. Oh, I thought my team was gonna grab it. Sorry. Thank you. I'll jump in. I'll let them go. Oh yeah, thanks team. I think we had kind of beat them from the start. Not from the start, but about halfway through. Oh yeah! One more win. And then we might even get our rank up battles. Whoops! The mic was a bit far. It really doesn't matter. It was like half an inch far. Too far. There we go. That's good. 2. This month is gonna be crazy. I'm just gonna leave it there for the comments. Crazy month. Okay, now this game, if the Squiffer is good, and their I'll just call it. They're both good. Oh, this neck, good thing. Yeah, that's right. 3, 2, 1. Oh, almost right on. I'll see you guys in the next match. Here we go! Okay, we need to win this. If we lose, I guess it's okay. But then we don't get the little marker bar. Ooh! if that one attack missed, we would have been all good. Wipeout, that's not good at all. It's gonna be tricky, we have to predict which way to go. We lost lead and captain. Okay, that's what I was worried about. This way. Where'd the roller go? That roller is scary. Yes, half second wait. What killed the blaster? Okay. Don't jump in. I thought I had my quick respawn. Two of them are down, but the roller is still somewhere. I'll take it. 2 for 1. Let's jump in. No one's nearby. It's mostly their blaster and the roller. Ooh, yes! Nope, they died. How? I feel like the roller's taking more, hits than it probably should. Oh, when did we get checkpoint? Yes! Booyah! It's the wipeout is gonna matter. Well, for them, it's not gonna matter, I should say. We only have one person, and they had just respawned. Still. Not over yet. I keep getting killed while I'm focusing too much on the rating. I play like a mid-range weapon. I should be playing as a mid-range. Okay. Yeah. We don't even need to get it to the end. All the one-shot weapons coming out of nowhere shooting me. I have no way to defend. Well, actually, I do have ways to defend, but I'm not playing well enough to the point where I can't defend. No way. Booyah! Unexpected. I did nothing that battle. I got the initial record score. I don't know, you just had to rub my face in it. Yeah, 8-11. I just kept on dying. 5 wins in a row. Booyah! Oh, that was a massive jump. So now I'm not sure if we want to do. No, we'll end it here. thanks for watching, everyone, and I do mean it. I enjoy filming. Yeah. I don't know. Or recording. It's not really filming. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys next time, probably tomorrow with a Kirby video. Oh, I forgot to mention, I do make Kirby content. So you can go check that out. If you want. Oh yeah. I still don't know when I'm gonna get this thing. I don't know, yeah. I'll see you wait, what? I don't like how you can do that. It's just socks or no socks. I don't know, yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.